All right, so here we go. Darren, who's been flying a Hattori for a while, is trying out the new GP exhaust. We'll go up on a flight and check it out. He got it all tuned. It did require some more leaning over the Hattori, but we'll check it out. So Darren, you gonna bring it?
I'm gonna give it my best shot here.
I like the sound of that thing too.
Yeah.
Man. Cool, dude. So seriously, what do you think of that pipe?
It's solid, powerful.
Yeah,
it's pretty comparable to the Hattori. A little different sound, but I think it's solid and powerful.
You liking it, eh?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Thanks, Darren, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Rockin' Heli Boy. Rockin', what is your real name?
Reggie
Reggie
Rogers.
Reggie Rogers. So you're gonna be trying out the new GP exhaust for the OS 90.
Yep.
You were flying Hattori before, right? A line? Okay. Cool, so you put a couple flights on. What do you think of that thing?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like it.
All right, so Ben trying out the GP exhaust. No canopy because he's testing it. Sounds good, dude. How about power?
Same. Not the same. I'll take the quiet.
I don't know. To me, it sounds like it's got more power. I don't know. It's just the sound of it. Maybe it's just the sound. No, yeah, no.
Hard to tell.
Yeah, I told you it wouldn't be dramatic. But I noticed a little more, at least for my kind of stuff. Definitely quieter. Doesn't have that howl to it. Don't run out of gas. You can't make fuel from air. Well, bring it back over here, man. I'm an old man. I can't walk. You ain't gonna turn it around so we can look at it?
Oh, okay.
There we go. Alright, so Ben, what'd you think? Honest opinion.
Pretty good, man. It's a little more power than the line pipe, and it's a lot quieter. So.
Cool. Alright, so Darren, you tried the 90 pipe.
Yeah.
Too bad you couldn't keep it, but
I know.
yeah, you'll get hooked up, I think.
We'll see. Beggars can't be choosers.
So Jerome and Kevin just tried the GP pipe on the 600. What'd you think?
Awesome. Produces definitely more power than the line pipe or the Curtis Youngblood.
Yeah, really? Yeah, that's right. You're the first one that had that went from a Curtis to that pipe, I think. No, Rock and Helly Boy did it on the 90, but anyway. Anyway, you liked it too, yeah.
Yep.
It's a good pipe, man. Built well and sounds good. Wait a minute, what's inside? Oh, I can't show you just yet. Little sneak. Look at how tiny that motor is. Would you polish it?
It's got a little, little mother's polish on there, Bob.
All right, later.
All right, see ya.